Today we are going to install heated grips. See the throttle side with the sensor, throttle by wire is a little bit longer than the clutch side. So first things first is I'm going to cover my tank. Okay, I'm going to start by removing the T27 bolts. I'm going to let this hang. Remove the back bolts. That is a T20. Pull the main fuse before you do any of this. You just use a little pick tool. Just press that down, slides right out. This open one right here, that's going to be for your heated grips. So you flip open this little door here, which flips open on its own. On the side, there's a little button. Again, use the pick. Press it in, and the wire will slide right out. And this whole thing slides right out. So just keep in mind when you pull it apart how, this is why it's good to video, take pictures of how it went in and came out. Okay, we're going to slide the wire through and then match the little notches where the control is. Easy way to tell if it's upside down. If the Harley Davidson logo is in the correct location, you are fine. Then I'm going to slide the wire in and then slide the whole unit in. All right, down on the end over here, you will see the wire. You probably can't see it too well, but I could see the end of the wire here. So I'm just going to use my little pick and pull it out, and that's it. So now we're going to plug everything back in. So this is the new wire for the heated grips that is going to go where the empty spot was. Snap right in there. You couldn't hear it because my big mouth was talking. And then this guy goes back. It snaps right in. Little door here. So now I'm going to take this assembly. Put it back into place. Keep in mind you got to keep all these wires not pinching them. This is the T20. I'm going to get this back in. All right, that pops out. It's going to be the same thing with the wires. All right, this clamshell pops off. Again, this one's open for the heated grips. There's only one on this side here, so that makes life easier instead of the two on the other side. Pressing a little bit on the top and it pulls right out. Set that aside and this slides right out. This side's a hell of a lot easier. I don't even know if I have to slide that whole thing out. Run your wire through. Same as the other side, it's got a little groove in it, but look at this, there's that little scan code thing just popped out. I could just pull it out. Look at that, just pops right out. And it just popped right into the notch, so Harley Davidson's facing the right direction on both sides. Back in, that's the new wire. It goes in the open spot that was there. Actually, I'm going to do the bigger wire harness first because this will be in the way. So it just pops right in the same way it came out. Click. Not pinching any wires up. One goes one way. And if you don't have it lined up, you're going to have a hard time getting this clamshell back on. And that's that.
On the 2024, at least the early models, you have to take it to Harley and get it flashed. On the newer models, supposedly you don't have to. I don't know. If you like this video and others like it, please hit the like and subscribe, and catch you later.